Hello everyone, welcome to Chidebere Maths class. Today we are going to look at this question under simultaneous linear equation. And we are going to use the elimination method to solve this question. So the question says, solve the simultaneous equations 3x plus 2y equal to 6. 2 and 2x plus y equal to 4. Then the first thing to do is to write the first equation, which is 3x plus 2y equal to 6. We call this equation 1. And then the next one is 2x plus y equal to 4. We call this equation 2. To solve this question, we eliminate either x or y, depending on the one that is convenient with you. So in doing that, let's say we want to eliminate x. If we want to eliminate x, we'll use 3, which is the coefficient of x in the first equation, to multiply everything in the second equation. And we are going to use 2, which is the coefficient of x in the second equation, to multiply everything in the first equation. So we can say that this is equation 1 times 2 and equation 2 times what? 3. So we can write this equation 1 times 2, and the next one is equation 2 times 3. So let's multiply with 2. 2 times 3x will give us 6x, plus 2 times 2y will give us 4y, equal to 2 times 6 will give us 12. Then we use 3 to multiply everything in the second equation. So 3 times 2x will give us 6x, plus 3 times y will give us 3y, equal to 3 times 12, or 3 times 4 please, will give us 12. So having gotten this, you see that we have 6x here, 6x here, so the coefficient of x is the same. So the next thing is to eliminate it. So we check their signs. This is plus 6x, and also this is plus 6x. So because they have the same sign, we are going to subtract both equations. So if they have different signs, we add the equation. But in this case, they have the same sign. They have, this is plus 6x, this is plus 6x. So we are going to subtract the equation. We put minus here. Then we subtract 6x minus 6x will give us what? 0. So we don't need to write it. So the next one is 4y minus 3y. This will give us what? 1y, or you can write it as y. Then 12 minus 12 will give us what? 0. So having gotten y as 0, so it remains for us to get x. So in doing that, we can replace y as 0 in the first equation or the second equation, anyone. So let's choose the first equation. So we can say replace y with 0 in the first equation, in equation 1. So let's write equation 1. The first equation is 3x plus 2y equal to 6. That's the first equation. That's equation 1. So we are going to replace y with what? 0. So we have 3x plus 2 times 0 equal to 6. So we have 3x plus 2 times 0 here will give us what? 0. Then equal to 6. So 3x plus 0 will give us the same thing as 3x. So we have 3x is equal to 6. Then we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is what? 3. So we can say divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is what? 3. So what we are going to have is 3x divided by 3 equal to 6 divided by 3. Then 3 into itself is 1. 3 dividing itself is 1. So we are left with x equal to 3 into itself is 1. 3 dividing 6 is 2. So 2 divided by 1 will give us what? 2. So we can say therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. So this is the solution to the simultaneous linear equations. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you very much. Bye bye.